Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are doing good. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. I would like to share a nice and great idea for your car tires. If you want that your car looks stunning, then you should buy these car tire markers from you can buy it from any store near to you, or the easiest way is to buy from Temu or AliExpress, etc. It's up to you. I bought these white markers, and it's very easy and handy tools which you can use. Simply just rub on it on the tires, and as you can see, they will start filling. So I have a tire of a good ride. Also this little Mickey Mouse type cartoon character. It is very easy to fill these gaps inside the tire. What I did, so as you can see, I unscrewed my tire and put it on the ground, and it was way easier for me to paint the entire words. But if the car is installed in the car, there's no need to unplug it because it's easier. You can still manage to paint these letters. At the end of the video, you will be able to see the amazing result of painting the numbers as well as these English letters of your car tires. So please make sure that you watch the video till the end. Also, it is humbly requested, please guys, like the video and subscribe the channel. So this is the marker which I bought. It's a white marker which is waterproof. Again, I'm telling you, I bought it from Temu, but you can purchase it from any nearest possible store where these kind of things are available. I am 110% sure that it will increase the look of your car, and whenever your friends and family members will see the car tires, they are gonna ask you whether you buy new tires or how did you paint them, for sure. And last but not the least, make sure that you wash the tire before painting them with these markers, otherwise they won't look that good. Also, the marker may not fill the gaps well. So before painting the tire, I washed it carefully, and then I started painting. This one I untied it after unscrewing it from my car, but so this is the final result. Far road tire, and this one was the good ride tire. Just look at